Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Paradise Garden stamp set along with the Waterside Retreat Designer Series paper. I do want to apologize for my crooked camera. I didn't catch that. And I also want to apologize for last video's sound issues. I had no idea that the music was too loud. So I am going to try to correct it this time. Anyway, as you can see, this pattern paper has a whole bunch of different scenes that you can cut out. So as you saw, I cut everything out, and I'm going to use the bottom one here, the tranquil lake with the boats, but I am going to cut that down just a tad. And I can't remember what I cut it down to, but I am leaving you sticky notes for all the sizes. So there is this pattern paper is awesome and very timely for your fathers. Their Father's Day is coming up next month, June 21st, I've been told. And I thought I would create a card for those fishermen in your life. So, and that is kind of what the Waterside Retreat pattern paper is all about. So there you are. It is 4 inches wide, 2 and 3 inches tall. I'm also going to use that sentiment from the Paradise Garden, which is an online exclusive. You're not going to find it in your catalog. And it says, "You make the world a better place." I'm using Secret Sea ink for that sentiment. And then this is the mat. So it's a basic white mat that I'm going to stick this picture, Designer Series paper picture, onto its mat or bordering paper. I don't know what people call it. I just wanted something to give a little eye break because it's going to go on a couple extra pattern papers. Now, I gave the fussy cutting a rest, and I decided just to cover a little bit of that scene with our sentiment. So I'm just going to put these measurements off to the side. They can be a little distracting for me. So this is a card base that's 11 inches wide, 4 1/4 inches tall, and we have scored it at 5 1/2 and then at 2. So this 2 is going to flip back on itself. So it's, I don't know, I wouldn't call it a fun fold, but I guess you can. It's a mock fun fold. It's a very simple fun fold. So we have the inside basic white paper. And again, I have given you measurements. We're going to put that on the inside of the card, but we are going to cover it up with other patterns of that Designer Series paper. So again, that was 5 1/4 inches wide, 4 inches tall. Here we have a pattern paper of a wood. It is 3 1/4 inches wide and 4 inches tall, and that's going on the very front. Now, if you wanted, you could fold that flap over and secure it. I chose not to, but you totally could. So here are 2 other pieces from that pattern, the pattern paper pack. These are 1 3/4 inches wide and 4 inches tall. I decided to give this one a little kind of a border, a white border on either side. You don't have to. You can go right up to that white piece. And then this has, oh, it's cute. It has fishes on it. So I actually got a card from one of my clients for Christmas. She's also a card maker, buys a few items for me here and there. And she made me it's a Christmas card with the 9 fishes, which I thought was kind of fun. Anyway, So I thought this pattern paper would be perfect for that if you wanted to use it for your Christmas cards, if you believe in that sort of thing. Anyway, you could put this picture on this matted framed picture on straight. I chose not to. I chose to put it a little cattywampus, and I don't know why. To me, maybe it looked like a postcard or something. Anyway, we have loose anchor trinkets here. These are super cute. I enjoyed gluing this to my pattern or to my card. I used 2 glue dots, one that I could just stick on, and then the other one I had to use my take your pick tool. And you guys, that is my card for today. So I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check any of the products out for yourself. And again, I want to say thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.